Second tip. Tip number 2 is to inspire your audience as well. It essentially means you need to have the ability to change the audience's state. When somebody watches your video, watches your webinar, or sees you live on stage, that audience is going to be in various different emotional states. Your job is to do something that unites them into one state, a state that's conducive to learning and also potentially to being influenced. The best way to do that is actually through a story. And the best story to create is your own story, your EPS. It stands for your expert positioning story. This is a story that you develop that illustrates why they should trust you because it illustrates your why. Why are you doing what you do and why do you care? That's best illustrated through your story of struggle, how you decided to do what you do, why you became passionate, why it became a focus, and why therefore you really care about serving people at the highest level possible. I created a system called the Tri-Summit storytelling system because every great story is subdivided into 3 very important acts. Now, if you don't know what those acts are, you're going to miss out because you'll create a story that doesn't really work. Whether your story, the best stories you've heard like Dirty Dancing, Pretty Woman, Shawshank Redemption, Lion King, Frozen, they're actually all the same when you break it down to the most fundamental levels. So step number 2 was storytelling.